Imagine two people. Both of them retire at the same age with exactly $500,000 saved up. Same amount of money. Same age. Same country. Same starting point. 10 years later, after a decade of retirement, their lives look completely different. One of them is traveling around Europe, enjoying life, and still has almost all of their original money left in the bank. The other person is nearly broke, worried about every expense, and wondering how they will make it through the next few years. Same money. Completely different future. So what actually happened? Did one of them invest better and get higher returns? Did one of them get lucky in the stock market with a hot stock that went up? No. The difference came down to 5 simple decisions that almost nobody talks about when they discuss retirement planning. And once you understand these 5 decisions, you will see retirement in a completely different way. Because the real question is not how much money do I need? The real question is how heavy is my financial airplane? Let me explain what that means. Most people believe that retirement is all about saving up a huge pile of money. You hear numbers thrown around all the time. $1 million. $2 million. $3 million. And for most people, those numbers feel completely impossible. They make retirement seem like something only the rich can ever achieve. But here is the strange truth that changes everything. Two people can have the exact same amount of savings and experience completely different retirements. Because retirement is not just about how much money you have. It is about how fast that money burns away. Think of it like this. Your savings are a runway at an airport. Your lifestyle is the airplane that needs to take off. If the airplane is too heavy, if your expenses are too high, even a very long runway will not be enough. You will run out of space before you get off the ground. But if the airplane is light, if your expenses are under control, even a shorter runway can get you flying. That is the whole secret in one simple picture. There is a famous rule in retirement planning called the 4% rule. The idea is very simple. If you have a portfolio of investments, you can safely withdraw about 4% of it every year, and your money should last around 30 years. So if you have $500,000 saved up, 4% of that is $20,000 per year. That breaks down to about $1,667 per month. Now here is the problem that many people do not realize until it is too late. In many cities today, $1,600 does not even cover the rent for a small apartment. So if that is your monthly income, you have to be very careful about every single decision you make. Because those decisions determine whether your money lasts 30 years or 10 years. The same amount of money can produce a comfortable life or a stressful one depending on how you manage it. Let me tell you a story about two people. They grew up in the same town. They worked normal jobs their whole lives. They both managed to save about $500,000 by the time they retired. We will call them Alex and Jordan. 10 years later, their lives look completely different. Alex still has about $460,000 invested. He travels to new places. He enjoys his time. He does not worry about money. Jordan has about $90,000 left and is terrified of running out before the end. So what happened? Did Alex invest in better stocks? Did he get lucky with some cryptocurrency? No. They simply made different choices about 5 key decisions that most people never even think about. This is one of the biggest retirement secrets that nobody talks about on financial news. Where you choose to live can double your retirement savings or cut them in half. Let us look at some numbers. A comfortable retirement lifestyle in a major expensive city might cost $6,000 per month. Rent or mortgage, food, transportation, everything adds up. But that same lifestyle in a smaller town or a more affordable area might only cost $3,000 per month. That is a difference of $3,000 every single month. That is $36,000 per year. Over 10 years, that difference adds up to $360,000. The same retirement savings can feel rich in one place and completely inadequate in another just because of location. So the real question is not just, can I afford retirement? The real question is, can I afford retirement where I currently live? And if the answer is no, moving might be the smartest financial decision you ever make. Another decision that can dramatically change your retirement picture is when you decide to start taking Social Security. Many people start collecting as soon as they possibly can, which is usually age 62. They want the money now. But starting early permanently reduces your monthly payments, sometimes by 30% or even more. However, if you delay starting Social Security, your payments increase every single year until age 70. Imagine this example. Let us say your normal benefit at full retirement age would be $2,000 per month. Starting early at 62 might give you only about $1,400 per month. But waiting until age 70 could give you about $2,480 per month. That is over $1,000 more every single month for the rest of your life. Over 20 years of retirement, the difference can add up to more than $240,000. And here is the really important part. That extra income means you do not have to withdraw as much money from your investments. Your portfolio gets to keep growing instead of being drained. That one decision about when to start can make your money last much longer. Healthcare is one of the biggest expenses in retirement, and most people seriously underestimate it. If you retire before age 65, before you qualify for Medicare, you may need to buy private health insurance. That can easily cost $1,000 per month or more for a couple. And even after Medicare starts, you still have premiums, prescription medications, dental care, vision care, and supplemental insurance to pay for. Over a typical retirement lasting 20 or 30 years, the average couple may spend over $300,000 on healthcare costs. Think about that. $300,000 is more than half of a $500,000 retirement portfolio. So planning for healthcare is not optional. It is absolutely essential. Ignoring it can destroy even a well-saved retirement. Many people believe that investing in retirement has to be complicated. They think they need to hire expensive advisors or buy complicated products. But history actually shows something surprising. Simple investing often wins over the long term. Over many decades, the stock market has returned about 10% per year before inflation, and about 6 to 7% after inflation. But here is the key. Most professional investors still fail to beat the market. Studies have shown that over long periods, about 88% of actively managed funds perform worse than simple low-cost index funds. Which means something very simple often works best. Buy the entire market through an index fund. Hold it for the long term. And do not panic when markets fall, because they always fall sometimes. But historically, they always recover and continue growing. The investors who stay patient win. One final factor can quietly destroy a retirement plan, and that is debt. Especially mortgage debt. Some people argue that it is mathematically better to keep a mortgage and invest the money instead of paying it off. In theory, that can make sense if your investments earn more than your interest rate. But in retirement, things are different. If the market has a bad year and drops 20%, and you still have large monthly debt payments to make, you may be forced to sell investments at the worst possible time to cover those payments. You lock in losses permanently. But if your home is paid off, your monthly expenses drop significantly. You have more flexibility. You can wait for the market to recover before selling anything. And that flexibility, that ability to be patient, can make a huge difference in how long your money lasts. So what was the real difference between our two retirees, Alex and Jordan? It was not luck. It was not being smarter about stocks. It was not winning some lottery. It was 5 simple decisions. Where they chose to live. When they started Social Security. How they planned for healthcare. How they invested their money. And whether they carried debt into retirement. Same savings. Different airplane weight. Same runway. Different outcome. The financial industry often makes retirement seem incredibly complicated. They want you to think you need expensive advisors and complex products. But the truth is often much simpler than they want you to believe. You do not need to beat the market. You do not need perfect timing. You do not need genius investing skills. You just need to make a few good decisions and then stick with them for the long term. Because retirement success is not about having the biggest runway. It is about making sure your airplane is light enough to fly with the runway you have. If this video helped you understand retirement in a new way, subscribe to the channel. Every week I break down complicated money topics into simple ideas that anyone can understand, even kids. Because the truth about money should not be hidden behind complicated language and confusing charts. The sooner you understand how money actually works, the easier your financial life becomes. Thanks for watching. And I will see you in the next video.